Well, hello, this is Rosa, RCG Creations. How you doing? Hubby and I are I'm going to be narrating. Let me turn this around so we can see. Hubby's going to be making a marinated chicken. Hey. And we're going to rotisserie in a rotisserie chicken.
Turn off, start over again.
All right, here we go. Honey's gone. I already put the oil. Come over here. Honey, please. We've oiled it all up. Now, what you want to do is you want to rinse your chicken. First, take it out of the bag. Rinse it. Pat it dry. Then put it in a bowl or a container, something that's big enough that you can maneuver with it. Now we're going to add the Lowry seasoned salt. And he said he wants it inside. He's done all the research.
That's good.
So what are you doing now?
Just rubbing it on the side.
So he's just rubbing the inside.
Alright, now give me the,
Now do what?
I want the lemon garlic.
Okay, now we're doing our Kinder's lemon butter garlic. Okay.
Take the top off.
And he's rubbing it while I'm pouring. That way both of our hands don't get dirty. And you're supposed to rub it all in. What you want to do is you're making kind of like a rub. And you can do any flavor of any kind you want. Here, move your hands so I can get the legs. Move your hands. And it's good to have extra because some of this is going to fall off anyway while it's just sitting here marinating. Now, Carl did all the research. I didn't do any of this stuff. He did. And it's going to take about an hour to rotisserie your chicken.
Well, this is going in what they call the Showtime Rotisserie.
Yeah.
I got for my birthday.
He just got it as a gift.
So as a gift. So we're going to put it in there and see actually how it cooks.
This is going to be our first time cooking with it.
It's a very old machine. Some of you old people will know what it is. Some of you young people won't know what it is. But it's an old machine that was put out by Ronco. We used it the other night. Came out pretty good. So now we're going to try a whole chicken. This is a 3.65
chicken. What did we make
chicken.
the other night in there?
Fish.
Oh yeah, we baked some fish.
It's a 3.5 pound chicken, and it's 15 minutes per pound.
That's how long it takes to cook.
And that's it. So we're looking about an hour, maybe close to an hour and 15 minutes to cook this, a little less. Alright, so my chicken's now done. So what we're going to do, we're going to tie the legs up. You want to tie your legs up and your wings up. That's what they say to do.
Do you have to tie that to a knot?
You can if you want.
So whatever you need to do to tie it so as it's rotating, it doesn't come apart. So it's got to make it nice and snug. No, it's supposed to be that way. Oh, he's going to do the X method. A lot of the videos he's been watching have the X method. Where you tie it around one leg, around a wing, and then the other leg. And this is just cooking twine that's made for baking and cooking. Is that did I do that right?
It's for baking and cooking.
Okay. Then you got to cook the wings.
Now they're done.
No, you got to go over the.
They're done.
Oh, they are done. So now you got to give you room to tie it into a knot. Are you through with the spices?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to leave it out here just so we know what we used. So he's just tying that into a knot right now?
Trying to.
Is it a big knot? Good knot?
It's good enough.
Okay.
And right now it's going to sit in the refrigerator.
So it's going to sit in the fridge for how long?
Oh, it's going to cook at about 5:30.
Okay, we're going to cook at 5:30, so it's 10 after 4. So we'll bring you back to the next phase, okay?
Sit down.
Okay, here we're back for the next phase.
Okay, we're cooking in what they call the Showtime Rotisserie and Barbecue Machine. What this does is it has these skewers that you slide the chicken on top of.
You gotta show them.
Then
You didn't show them.
So you put the skewers, these skewers go in between the chicken, slide the chicken right on top. There's a stand right here, what you do this with. So what you do is you grab your chicken, and you just skewer it right through. Just like that. Which I missed.
That one guy said maybe you squeeze them a little bit on the top as you poke them in so it gets in the meat of the breast. See that? I'm getting closer here. Okay. Got it? Okay, he got it in. Now he's putting the other end of it in those little areas. Okay, now I'm backing up. He's going to get it inside the rotisserie. There's little grooves that it sits in.
Put your chicken in the middle. That's where it's supposed to go. Okay.
In the middle of the skewers.
Yep, those skewers. Alright. Chicken's in the middle.
Oh, what's in the bottom?
Huh?
What's in the bottom?
It's just a tray.
But you gotta tell them what it is.
It's a tray with aluminum foil.
It's a broiler tray that holds all the oil and the drippings as it's cooking.
This is going to cook for at least 54 minutes. So I'm going to set it for close to an hour and come back and look at it. So on the side here, it has numbers.
Okay, let me go back. I want to show you the numbers.
Numbers right there.
There, you see that? Let me get closer. There you go. Okay.
So once you turn it on...
And as you can tell, it's not overly noisy.
It is a little bit, but that's just the way it is. But once you turn it on, it just starts turning. And as it turns, the heating element in the back comes on and starts
Did you
cooking.
cut that string that's extra long?
And it'll just turn, and it'll cook the chicken all the way through. And you come back and check in 30 minutes and see what it looks like.
What if that string gets caught in that grill? I think it needs to be cut. Okay, we'll let hubby do that because he's doing this. I'm just doing the machine. Okay, we'll bring you back when we get ready to do the taste test. Alrighty, we're back. Timer's out. Look how pretty that is. Let me get you close. Okay, hubby, just give your hands. Okay, see that? You hear it sizzling? That little gray thing is the little stand that it's supposed to sit on because it's so very, very hot. We've got this just on a regular kitchen plate.
And I'm going to let that rest for about 5-10 minutes.
And I'm going to unplug it.
Yep.
Okay, we'll bring it back for the taste test. Okay, we are here for the taste test. We're going to be in the dining room. Look how pretty. Let me bring that up. Look at that. Didn't that turn out good? Sorry about the lighting. We're in the dining room.
Let you curve.
No, hubby's going to cut it.
Okay.
And we'll get ready to do the taste test.
Let's see. We'll cut that.
They're all nice and cooked. Is it easy to cut?
Oh, yeah.
Very easy. He likes legs. I do not.
Oh.
I'm going to bring you up in just a second. Let me show you.
I just fell right off of there.
Look at how juicy that is. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, I just picked at it.
Look at that. See that? Ooh. I just need a piece of breast is all I get. Oh, he's cutting off the wings. This is definitely enough. Could be enough meal for 2 meals for us. Tonight's dinner, lunch, and then probably another lunch for another day.
Butchering this poor bird. Sorry, people. I'm not a very good cutter.
Butcher.
Butcher. Yeah, I'm not a very good butcher.
And I don't eat skin. Hubby does, but I do not.
Yeah. So, not doing very good.
Okay. Well, let's just get a piece. Give me a piece of breast, and I'll do the taste test. That was chicken leg.
I know.
There's the breast right here.
Not a lot of meat on it.
It's it was a little 3.5 pound
Yeah.
chicken. The grocery store hardly had any, and didn't have anything bigger than 3.5. They have some smaller, but not bigger. So you know, you get what we just get what we get. We're good to go with that. So here it goes for the taste test. Very 2 thumbs up. Very, very juicy. I don't taste an awful lot of this seasoning, but then I'm eating just the meat. I'm not doing, because we just did it as a rub. But anyway, I think this is a good 2 thumbs up. Hubby made some, what kind of potatoes were these?
Cheddar applewood bacon mashed potatoes.
Okay, so we're going to eat our dinner. And we thank you so much for watching. And we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.